Which car gun safe is actually good? It's a simple question, but with so many options out there, it can be tough to find the right one. Today, we're digging deep to get you the clarity you need. Product number 1, Onai's Iron Pro Biometric Safe. Let's kick things off with the Onai's Iron Pro Biometric Fingerprint Gun Safe. Priced at $60.99, what really caught my attention was its combination of biometric and keypad entry. If you want quick and secure access to your firearms, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The advanced biometric fingerprint scanner allows for speedy access. Think about needing to grab your handgun in an emergency. It unlocks in just a second, which is crucial when every moment counts. Plus, it can hold up to 2 standard-sized pistols, so it's not just for your gun. You can store valuables like jewelry as well. And with a 4.6-star rating from over 8,300 reviews, people clearly trust it. Now, some folks mentioned that the interior light can be a bit dim. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in low light conditions, it's a minor issue that can be worked around. If you want a reliable and fast access safe, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a secure, quick access safe for your car or home. Skip this one if you need something with a larger capacity. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Now, if the Onai's light issue concerned you, the next option takes a different approach. Product number 2, Bill Conch Gun Safe. Next up is the Bill Conch Biometric Fingerprint Gun Safe, retailing at $69.98. This one really stands out with its portable design and a slightly larger capacity. If you're looking for something that can fit neatly in your car or beside your bed, this is definitely worth considering. The biometric access combined with a PIN unlock makes it incredibly user-friendly. Imagine needing to access your firearm quickly. The fingerprint sensor can unlock it in just a second. It also features an interior light for visibility, which is super helpful during those nighttime emergencies. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 6,000 reviews, this is another crowd pleaser. However, some users have reported that the fingerprint sensor can be finicky at times. I get it, frustration can set in if it doesn't recognize your print. But honestly, if you ensure your fingers are clean and dry, it often works without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, portable safe that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you're looking for something that holds more than 2 pistols. Overall, it's a dependable option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, Bill Conch Large Gun Safe. Now check out the Bill Conch Large Gun Safe, priced at $89.98. This one is designed for those needing a bit more space and security. If you're looking for a safe that accommodates a few more items, this is worth a look. This model offers the same biometric access as the previous one, but can store 2 to 3 standard-sized pistols. What's great is the durable carbon steel construction, meaning it's tougher against forced entry. Plus, it's portable and features an interior light, which is perfect for grabbing your firearm quickly in low light. Rated 4.7 stars from 6,000 reviews, it's clear that buyers love it. One drawback is the price. Some might find it a bit steep compared to other options. But consider this. If you're serious about safety, the extra investment for added space and sturdiness could be worth it in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have multiple firearms or valuables to store securely. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a great choice for those willing to invest a bit more for quality. Now, if you want something with quick access features, the next product is worth your attention. Product number 4, AI Armuch Biometric Safe. Next is the AI Armuch Biometric Gun Safe, which comes in at only $56.99. If you're searching for quick access, this one might catch your eye right away. This safe integrates 3 unlock methods: fingerprint, digital password, and key access. Imagine needing to retrieve your firearm in a rush. Having options can make a huge difference. It's also designed to hold up to 3 compact items, so you've got flexibility. With a 4.7-star rating from over 300 reviews, buyers seem to appreciate its design and functionality. One point of concern is that it requires 4 AA batteries, which aren't included. Some users found themselves scrambling for batteries when they needed the safe most. However, if you plan ahead, keeping some extras on hand isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile safe that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger storage capacity. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. And if you need a safe with more advanced features, the last product might just do the trick. Product number 5, Pine World Fingerprint Handgun Safe. Finally, let's look at the Pine World Biometric Fingerprint Handgun Safe, also priced at $56.99. This one really shines with its extensive features and ease of use. If you want something with a bit of tech flair, you'll want to hear this. This safe boasts 3 unlock methods and can store up to 50 fingerprints, meaning you can share access with trusted individuals. The interior light is a nice touch for late-night access, and it even comes with voice navigation to guide you through setup. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 915 reviews, it's getting some serious love. However, some users reported that the voice prompts can be loud, which might be disruptive late at night. But here's the upside. You can adjust the volume or even mute it entirely. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and need a safe that's easy to access. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, no-frills option. It's a great value considering the features you're getting. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic car gun safes. The Onai's Iron Pro for quick access, the Bilconch and its larger sibling for added storage, the AIR Much for versatility, and the Pine World for tech features. Each has its strengths, so the right choice depends on your specific needs. Stay safe out there.